Okay, so for our problem, we were talking with the MPA, the PSA, and different experts, and what it really seemed that was missing was just a central information system. Every department has their own information, but what it turns out, there's a lot of manual calls going between the different agencies, the shipping agencies, the MPA, the PSA, so that there's just no real-time dashboard. So we really looked at the airline industry, and what our solution was, we realized that the industry needs a real-time solution to their problem. Their problem's real-time. People need to know where ships are currently or when they're coming in. So for our solution, what we did is created a real-time situation with a Streambase. And what we're doing is we're filtering all the current data that's going through the IAS system. And what we're doing is we're feeding that into a dashboard. So Data Watch is a great thing. So what it does, it allows us to visualize in real time what's going on. So just like at an airport, we have up here the status board. This is open to everybody. Right now the PSA has their information, the MPA has their information, but nobody has a central thing, a central spot to look to get their current data. So when we want to drill down, say we're looking for a specific ship, we can see in real time where it is. And we can pull up the information. So by combining all the data sets, we can see what's going on in the ship. What's a cargo, what's a bulk, what's it hold, what's its berthing times, what's its next movement. So in real time, by combining all the different information, you can actually get a snapshot of what's going on in the harbor so everybody can have a clear understanding of what's going on. So the technology we used was first Streambase, so what allows for us to filter data in real time. Second is a Data Watch, which basically we were swimming in a sea of data, and we couldn't, it helped us visualize to see what's going on in real time, so we can understand. So then the data we used everything. So AIS data is being fed in real time into this, and it's making decisions on what's going on in the harbor. We know the future movement and the current movements. We know the vessel information and drone port, thank you. We also have the berthing times. So by having that data open in real time, everybody can know what's going on in the ship, so the suppliers can see when the berthing is. They don't have to call up the PSA or the MPA to find out what's going on with that ship. Roadmap. So this is going to be available in, it's either desktop or also can be mobile as well. What we'd like to do in the future with it, you can put user controls in. So sensitive data like documentation for immigration can be stored in here, but then can be controlled by the users. And lastly, push notifications. You can easily, if there's a change in the berthing time, you can push it out to everybody who you want to have that current information. And I think I can get done. Thank you.